Hey everybody, welcome to lesson 5 of Photoshop, and this lesson's a little bit different in the fact that we're going to be going through a bunch of little things. So let's get you started right away. We're going to go to the folder for the class, which is bit.ly/bchs Photoshop 1, all one word. And that's this guy right here. And so you're going to go to lesson 5. And the start files are right here, and you have the lessons are all in Photoshop 1, lesson 5 right here. And I want you to start by downloading Redeye. So we'll start off with Redeye right here. Okay, so I want you to download it and open it up in Photoshop, and you'll have this. So, some pretty bad Redeye, obviously. That's kind of why they used it. So, pretty much, I mean, most of you have used Redeye reduction. It's pretty simple. So, let's get at it. First thing is, whenever you start changing anything on a picture in Photoshop, create a duplicate layer. That's a really good habit to get into. So, click on the background layer, Command J or Control J, and we're going to call this layer Redeye Fix. You name your children, you name your layers, is what a photographer told me. Alright, now we're going to zoom in on the eyes. Hit Z for zoom. I like the scrubby zoom. Space bar to change to a hand, see that? And going to put that right there in the middle. Cool. J will take you over here to the spot healing brush tool. Shift J will go all the way through and give you the Redeye tool. Okay, so if you hold down Shift J, it cycles through all the different ones. See how it's cycling through all the different tools. We want Redeye. And I want you to set the pupil size to 23 and the darken amount to 60. Then just simply click on the Redeye. If it doesn't work really well enough for you, then undo it, Command J, Control J, and pick a different part. Let's go over to the other eye and we click on that. Maybe I'll undo it and I'll click a different part. Okay, that's nice. I like that. You'll notice over here, because we've created a new layer, we can undo before and after, before and after. Command 0 to take that out of there. Before, after. It looks so much better. And you know what you might want to do is you might actually even want to back up in your history and change and go back here to the Redeye and play around with the settings and see what pupil size and what darken amount actually does, because you might be interested in the different things that it can do. Maybe you can play around and make some really wild stuff.